Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today, this video, I'm gonna show you the M1 Max. This is a 14-inch Swiss gray color. Now you can see this is M1 Max 32 gigabyte, 512 gigabyte the storage, and 2021. This is a Swiss gray color, and let me show you the specification. You can see this is a MacBook Pro 14-inch 2021 and Apple M1 Max 32 gigabytes. This is 14-inch 512 gigabyte. And let me show you the battery information. You can see the battery cycle count 96 times, and battery capacity is 98%. And the GPU cores is 24 cores, and the CPU cores. Let me show you. This is 10 cores and 8 performance and 2 efficiency. And also this is LL, means this is also a US version. And let me show you the logo surface. You can see this logo, no scratches, the beautiful logo. And let me show you the back. Okay, the back, no scratches. And you can see the ports, the new port looks like no problem, no scratches. And this corner, also no scratches. This edge, no scratches. And here the port HDMI is okay. The SD card slot okay, no problem. And here no scratches. And let me show you the 14-inch. Let me show you the 14-inch display. I changed the wallpaper. Okay, now you can see the wallpaper, no problem. The screen is okay. Let me change another color. The green color also no problem. This price is about 7,000 CNY. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay, the red color also no problem. And I want to share more detail with you. These 2 months, a lot of people at my WhatsApp, they asked me when they watched my video, they come to Shenzhen. They asked me when you come to Shenzhen, you can send me a message, and I will tell you what is the time I'm in the market. Then maybe you can buy the iPhone or the MacBook. Maybe the other electric products, maybe I can take you there. I'm familiar with Huaqiang North. Maybe I can help you. Of course, if you don't want to come to Shenzhen, or you have no time to come to Shenzhen, I can send a product to you. And but the MacBook shipping cost is too expensive. Last video I told you the shipping cost almost 400 to 500 one piece. I think that is too expensive. Like this MacBook, the price is about 7,000. But when you buy this, you need to pay the tax, the custom duties, and also the MacBook. The price almost 8,000, almost 8,000. So I think that is 100 CNY more. I think it's too expensive. It's not worth it. So if you can come to Shenzhen, I think that's better. That's better. So the price is very good, 7,000. And so this is the video. And thank you. And see you in the next video. Bye.